Okay, welcome. Today is February 3rd, 2026, Tuesday. Um, so I will do the end of day review. Market will be open about 1 hour. Still, we are at bar 68, as you can see on the screen. So, as usual, I will start just marking opening today. So it's not that common, but actually we have open of the day was high of the day, and we have a bear day just after a bull day yesterday. Yeah, high of the day is not that important any longer because we will not go very high from here, I think. So low of the day we are just hit 25,100. What else? Let me hide extended hours, and then we can have a look at yesterday. Yeah, actually I would prefer to move here. Where do we have so we have an opposite day, right? Here we have what I wanted to show was low of yesterday and high of yesterday. So we just tested, as you can see, high of yesterday. And close of yesterday. Let me see if I can fit it all in. So yesterday, pretty nice movement up, strong movement in the first 10 bars, and then sideways, and then today market open, just tested open of yesterday, bears were ready, it was rejected. And we saw a sell-off here. A strong, not a really strong sell-off. But you can see here after 7-8 bars, we reached low of yesterday. And it seems that we got a measured move down. Let me see if I can measure that. Yeah, it looks like the bears definitely got a measured move down. And as expected, bulls are showing up down here. Let's have a look just at 1 hour. Yeah, so we're testing back. Let's see the daily. Yeah, Friday we had this strong reversal, right? That everyone saw as a strong reversal. Monday we didn't see continuation. It was probably a pullback, and now we have continuation. And maybe we are going a little bit lower from here, right? So what we saw here were nice wedges, lowers, a nice wedge, and we saw higher lows. But if the dailies will start take out this low, we could test back down here to 24,000. So the market is trying to reverse. And we have like we can call it a staircase formation. It's a broader bear trend. But we can also see that there was some important support up here around 4,000. And it's not a coincidence because it was, and you cannot see it now, but it was low of yesterday. So bulls try to reverse market here, but this was so strong the first half hour that the bears they had to get a second leg down. And they probably, it seems that they also got a third leg down, right? And then we have in a strong reversal here, bar 57. I was trading a bit down here. I took this reversal. Now we have to see if this will end as a real bear day where we the last bar will be also the low of the day, and the first bar the high of the day. It's not unlikely. You can also see that bars are they're becoming smaller, right? So we have a strong bar 57, and then after that we have had inside bars. 57 is important. We have market tried to break it, break above. 76 was pretty strong. If we look a little bit more careful or closer here. But you can see we didn't quite get above it. But 69 is a nice bar, and we have some support here from the moving average. And where will market want to go? Want to break out here, definitely. Well, this was not. This is, well, it's a green bar, right? But it's bar 70. It's not really. Could also be a bear flag. It's not a strong bar for the bulls. Bulls would like to get up here and test bar 46. So I marked a 15-minute bar that I always mark. It's 1:45 Eastern time. And what happened here? You saw market tested back exactly to the top of this bar here at bar 71 and found support. So how high can I go? Well, there will be bears waiting up here. But this bar is pretty good, right? Few bears want to sell this one. Maybe they'll wait and sell up here. They've stopped the bulls twice at the 300 level. And they will definitely try to stop them again if we get up here. Not what you really want to see if you are a bull. Market is not racing up. It's a very tiny bar, and bears are still hoping for a double top, a wedge formation. But we have higher lows now. We have a triangle. So bar 72 not great, but it It was a bull bar. And we can see market reacted. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bull bars. Market probably saw this as weakness from the bears, right? They were not able to sell this one. So should I add a bit here? Yeah, a little bit afraid of this double top, but so market is testing bar 46 and wants to test this double top bar 43, bar 41. So this can look as, you can think, well, I'm getting a really strong bull bar. Let me add a lot, but this can reverse in a moment, when the next bar can be a strong bear bar. So bears are buying back shorts right now, but they also know that bulls like me will sell in a moment. I hate when it does that. Okay, So you can say 73 is a nice, really nice bull bar, but it could be almost too big, right? Will bulls like to buy it over their weight and bears will start selling? But we are close at 300 and we know market will really like to. Nasdaq loves hundreds, right? What bulls would like is to get up to at least to low of yesterday. And at the same time, bears, they would like to have a strong bear bar. They don't want a tail on today's bar. And what we see here right now, that's a tail. Bears, they want to close down here. And they can still do that. So 3 minutes into this bar and no bulls. So I'm not the only one who sold here. But at the same time, market is not racing down. So this is a classic situation, right? You think, well, now we bulls are back. We will get up to fast. We'll get up fast to low of yesterday, and suddenly we can just see a reversal. Look to the left, right? Bar 53 is a strong bar. So right now, bulls are selling against bar 33. We have a triple top or double top. It is, of course, possible that we can get up to 400. And then bears will be waiting. Bar 74 is a nice bar. We got continuation. It's a good size. And we closed at the top Can we also break out? Next bar is important. Bears can start selling here because they know that more bulls will take profit. It's a double top. Some people are just selling double tops all day long, right? Or buying double bottoms as we saw down here. Bulls are hoping for a high-low major trend reversal. And they got it. But will they get a measured move up to 400? That's a question. And also we are getting late in the day. 4 bars left, plus 3. But 4 official bars. Bulls will try to buy this. They want to break even, right? There were still bulls long at 300. So they need to look at where can they buy again, and it could be at the higher 1/3 of the strong 75 bar. Let's check where they bought. Yeah, exactly 33%. Well, for some reason won't let me, but as you can see, 66%, but I should have done it the other way, so yeah, it's 33%. They will buy again at 50% and 66%. Yeah, we got a measured move up. That's another reason why bulls exited. So bulls are buying now, but it can be just to break even. Some of them got the early bird special. You can see if they bought down here, scaled in, could get out here, early bird special. they will sell, and bears are also selling. Or this bar 75 is simply a pullback from 73.74. That's what you always have to ask yourself. Is it a pullback we are looking at and the market will continue higher? Well, we will know in a moment. But it does look like there are many eager bulls down here. If we get up here at 15, 20, there will be a lot of buy orders, right? And the market can sprint up to 400 very fast. Let's see if bulls can break out of this. Looks okay. Or will they be exiting again at 300? Some of them did. And many of them didn't even bother to wait for 300 because they knew that there would be sellers at 300. So they got off the train early. But it's not over yet. Let's see. So next bar will be bar 77. Will be more volatile. Not that easy to predict. Okay. Pretty good bull bar. 76. Some bulls are giving it a shot. So many people are not eager to buy here because it's getting late in the day. There's not a lot of time left if you want to scale in to try to. It's easy to be trapped into a losing trade, right? Thinking that market will raise up to 400. So maybe right now with 2 bars left of the day, bulls will be happy to if they can create a tail on the daily. But bears, as I said, they can still sell this. They can still test down to the pink line and lower, but bars are very small. So 30 seconds left of bar 78. Bears have not been able to continue selling. So we could get a movement up now with the last bar of the official market time. So another pretty good bull bar. So after a bear day, we can see that we were below the 20 bar moving average the whole day. Didn't even touch it here. This strong bar kind of marked a difference, right? We got above it, we were rejected, we came above it again, and then end of the day we got a series of bull bars, not really big bars, but yes, bull bars. So bulls managed to create a tail on the daily, and that is important for tomorrow. If you look at this right now, where do you think market will go tomorrow? Probably higher. Or what you see here could simply be a pullback, and tomorrow we will continue lower. We cannot be sure. But bulls are still here, and we're in a trading range between 20,000 and 25,000 and 26,000. Would be nice to break out of 26,000. Well, this market is great for day trading, right? But for investors, it's frustrating. We have seen the same prices for weeks and months, going up a bit, down a bit, sideways. So what happened here? Market tested back to 300 and continued. Okay, so that was the bell right there. It's 4 p.m. Futures, market will keep trading. 3 bars more, kind of official 3 bars more, and then the bars will get smaller, but official trading time is over. So yeah, but a nice reversal for bulls. So what does that mean? Let's have a look at the daily. So as you can see, we got a tail on today's bar. It looked like a strong bear day. So we still have higher lows. It will be interesting to see if bears can break this tomorrow or later this week. But thank you for now. Take care and have a great afternoon and evening.